subscribe to Android Discovery Channel, and press the bell icon to watch the interesting and exciting technology video first. TCL is showing off a wearable display prototype that's been in the works for years and is now close to reaching market. Simply enough, the company is calling it the TCL Wearable Display, and it's a pair of glasses with two 1080p mini OLED screens on the inside. This isn't a virtual reality headset, rather it's a new take on the concept of a wearable, personal display that gives the viewer the effect of looking at a very large screen. The glasses require a wired connection to a device that's equipped with USB-C video out. TCL says they produce the effect of viewing a 140-inch display from 4 meters away, with a density of 49 pixels per degree. They're also capable of displaying 3D content. TCL hasn't given a price for the glasses yet, and it says the wearable will be available later this year in select markets. The company is working with an unnamed content subscription partner to bring it to the US as part of a bundle deal with a 5G-enabled phone. TCL is also announcing new MoveAudio S600 Wireless Earbuds, which include active noise cancellation and transparency mode with 3 microphones built into each bud. They're rated at IP54 to protect against dust, splashes, and sweat, and they provide 8 hours of music playback on a single charge. TCL says they'll be available to global markets. It's not clear if that includes the US, in February for €149, about $180. Finally, there's the Move Track Pet Tracker. It's a device that attaches to your pet's collar and provides real-time location tracking. Users can receive a notification if their pet leaves a designated area, and they can monitor their activity levels. MoveTrack is IP67 rated and provides 14 days of battery life on standby. It will also sell in global markets, again, unclear if that includes the US, for €99, about $120. Guys, I hope you liked my video. If you really liked this video, please subscribe to the channel, and like and share the video. Thank you.